Okay, it's out of the box now. I'm gonna open it. It's out of the foil. Put that on the floor. Oh, get open from behind. Did not see that. See my Cinequil? And I got a Grey Knight guard in him. Yeah, I played Warhammer too. Painted this one actually. Check this out. Let me focus. OSO lighting and everything. Ah, shit. OSO lighting and everything, baby. There you go. Boom. Yeah, got a little off track there. Get this shit out. Oh god, I can't stand this plastic. So I got the Xerneas figure. Is this Xerneas? This is Xerneas, right? Am I just talking shit? Yeah, okay. I thought I lost my mind for a second. I'm pretty sure this is Xerneas. There we go. He's going in the back. Chill out back there, bro. Chill out back there, bro. Let me get this card out. I'll try to break. Let me get the packs out. There goes the packs. Come here. And boom. And there's the promo card you get. It's pretty cool actually. I like the colors in the back are really great. Could be a little more foily. Just a little more foily. That's all I'm saying, bruh. Alright, what we got here? Ooh, Legendary Treasures pack. We have we have 3 X and Y packs. I never opened any of these. So yay. Alright, let's save this for last actually. Let's start with this. Hopefully it's not a bust like last time. Oh bullshit. Alright. Here's your card, here's your code. Love you. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? Alright. Fairy Garden, Frogmere, Jigglypuff, Slugma, my boy, Hone Edge. Got Reverse Rare Staryu and a Beedrill. Alright. That's garbage. I'm sorry, but if anything isn't hollow or full art, garbage in my book. No, not really. Just for the collection, I mean. for the views. I like pulling big stuff. Who doesn't, right? There's your code. 1, 2, 3. Beedrill. Morlipede. Jigglypuff. That's a cool Jigglypuff looking card. I love Honedge. One of my favorite Pokemon. He's a great guy. Oh, cool. Look at that. I like Honedge. Guy's Evolution in a reverse rare form. I'm pretty sure that's a rare card. And Wigglypuff. Oh, Christ. Whatever. I got Age Slash. He's cool. Alright, 2 more packs. Please be something. I think this one has something in it. It feels harder. It feels like there's a full art in there. What's your code? 1, 2, 3. Music band. Red card. The caddy. And Voltorb. OG. OG. Scatterbug. Weedle. OG. And a Malamar. Very cool Pokemon. Not a cool card. For me at least. I only have this. This is the last pack. Bless this with kisses. Come on, Chester. That's my Grey Knight's name. I rub it on him for good luck. Get out of here. Get out of here. 1, 2, 3. Teddy Ursa. Bianca. Dweeble. Woobat. This is a good looking Woobat. Well, I saw something. But I think it was just, it was just a reverse rare. And Meloetta. Oh wait, what? Wait, what? Well, I don't get it. I pulled the EX. Wait, is it just like a bonus card you get with? Yeah, I think they're easy to pull, right? That was cool though. Alright, whatever. I'll take it. There you go. An EX in a pack. I don't know how legendary treasures work, so I'm like, that's pretty cool. For me. But it was like Meloetta and then another Meloetta. EX. These reverse rares were better than the rares actually. What's up guys? How's it going? Alright. Subscribe, like, comment, and leave a comment about the codes you took. That way people don't try them. No one's leaving comments about the codes they took. So everyone's trying, and they're saying they're all redeemed. Like, yeah, they will be redeemed within seconds of the video being posted. And see you guys. Thank you.